How to use Zoho Bigin CRM properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Zoho Bigin CRM is designed to simplify sales pipeline management, but many beginners make costly mistakes that slow growth and waste time. Most people get this wrong, but understanding the right approach can transform how your team manages leads and closes deals. One common mistake is not customizing the pipeline stages. Zoho Bigin comes with default stages, but every business has unique sales steps. Beginners often skip customization, which makes tracking deals confusing and inaccurate. For example, a real estate team needs stages like property visit scheduled or offer negotiation, not just lead and deal closed. Customizing stages ensures clarity and better reporting. Another mistake is neglecting contact and activity management. Zoho Bigin lets you log calls, emails and meetings, but beginners may leave these empty. Without this history, it's easy to miss follow-ups or duplicate outreach. Setting reminders and consistently updating interactions keeps your sales process organized and professional. Users also often underutilize automation features. Zoho Bigin allows automatic assignment of leads, task creation, and follow-up reminders. Ignoring these automations means your team spends unnecessary time on repetitive tasks, reducing productivity and increasing human error. Failing to integrate with email and other tools is another pitfall. Zoho Bigin integrates with Gmail, Outlook, and other platforms to sync communications. Beginners who skip integration miss out on seamless tracking, which can lead to missed opportunities and incomplete records. Finally, reporting is frequently overlooked. Zoho Bigin provides dashboards and analytics to monitor deal progress and team performance. Beginners may ignore these insights, losing visibility on bottlenecks or high-performing reps. Regularly reviewing dashboards helps make informed decisions and optimize sales strategy. To use Zoho Bigin CRM properly, customize your pipeline stages, log all interactions, leverage automation, integrate with your tools, and consistently analyze reports. Avoiding these beginner mistakes turns Zoho Bigin from a simple CRM into a powerful engine for managing leads, improving follow-ups, and closing more deals.